love story with a difference. The Blessed and the Bad. Bicolandia's greatest contribution to history and to human vision. Watch the moving spectacle of the undying love of the Virgin for countless souls. Watch the annual rendezvous of The Blessed and the Bad. Probably the greatest love story of all time.